Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So this operation will be useful if you meet some unexpected problems with your camera. Sometimes they are caused by the preferences and the customization. So let's try to reset them all. We have to open the camera app, and currently we are on the video mode. It does not really matter on which mode you will be. And the second thing I wanted to tell you are the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after resetting the customization. So now let's move into the tutorial actually. All we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and now we can enter the settings here. So let's tap. As you can see, we've got much more options to choose from to customize. So now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and here we've got this option Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it and tap on Restore Defaults. As you can see, nothing happened. Nothing happened at all. But if we will go back to the camera app, we cannot see the grid lines, which means that we just successfully reset all preferences or customization or personalization we've made in the camera, and from now on it should work perfectly fine on the preset settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.